Donovan, and I'm the chef here at Dish Cooking Studio, 390 DuPont Street in Toronto. I've been at Dish now for off and on for 8 years. Recently returned in the last year. Some of the things we do here, we have a cooking school that we operate, both private and the public. We cater to the Toronto Maple Leafs. We have a growing prepared food business as well as a cafe. So we do a lot of local, we do a lot of seasonal. Basically, I try to make really, really good food from very, very good ingredients.
Hi, I'm Pam Pridham and the owner of Dish Cooking Studio. I've been the owner of Dish for about 2 years now, and having worked here before, I find it a wonderful place to be. What brought me to Dish is that I'm sort of a closet chef. I've never been trained officially, but I've always loved cooking, and food's been my passion forever and ever. And finally I've found a time where I could be involved in the industry. At Dish we have a cooking school where people can come in and we can teach you how to make some wonderful foods. And then we also have a cafe and prepared foods, where if you don't have the time to make these wonderful foods, you can come in and buy them here. Thought being that not everyone can spend the time to make tomato confit or something like that, but they might be able to roast a chicken. So you can roast your chicken and then pick up something on the side to go with it, so that it's a delicious and not too stressful meal to put together. My whole idea about cooking is, first of all, healthy more than anything else, but delicious and something to share with other people. At Dish, we love getting together and sharing what we make, and we always believe that if we love what we're preparing and we love to eat it, then you will too.
I got into cooking as a true blended cook when I was 21 years old, finishing university with no clue as to what I wanted to do, but with a true love for the kitchen. From there, traveled for a few years, went on to the Stratford Chef School. My first boss was actually Ruth Clausen from Unfortunate Cheese in Stratford, and since then have traveled and worked a little bit around the world. Some notable people that I've worked with that I'm very proud to have worked with are Chris McDonald, back to Avalon days. I've worked with Annie Armovich, I've worked with Jamie Kennedy, and now back at Dish. Anyway, basically the philosophy is we like to cook good food. We like to feed people. I have a kitchen full of girls behind me, and the best part about my job is basically coming in here every day and getting to cook. Another great part of my job is, again, getting to know certain farmers that we deal with. So Dennis and Denise Harrison, we started up a great relationship with from Dingo Farms. We use pretty much exclusively their beef and their pork now here at Dish. Steph Purdy from Purdy's, we use almost exclusively their fish. It's been a lot of fun.